Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Thursday, February 7th of 2019. For today's morning announcements, just a reminder that today is the first day of our Young Rembrandts after-school program for art. So if you signed up for that, today would be the first session of that in the art room. Also, boys and girls, if you did sign up for that, just make sure that you have a pickup time for 3 o'clock. So make sure a family member knows that you're going to be picked up at 3. So at some point in time, if you need to come down to the office to call to make sure, feel free to do so. Also for February birthdays, again, no birthdays today. So not till tomorrow do we have some birthdays, and we actually have 3 of them tomorrow to announce. So no birthdays for today. Lunch choices. We have French toast sticks with sausage, cheeseburger, or fun on the run. And today for our Paws, we have second grade. So who will be talking about different things with our Paws.
All right, for our Paws today, we have 3 students here from second grade who would like to share some things about Paws to remember and to do today. Great suggestions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. And as a reminder, if you remember, you're doing a World's Finest Chocolate fundraiser. You can turn in your first box and you can get a crazy hat. So I'm getting low on one set of hats right now. So right now, the very popular ones are the squiggly hats that look like squids. But I got lots of emoji hats, and I got like big top hats that are psychedelic in colors. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. All right, boys and girls, let's have a great Thursday today. Remember, Young Rembrandts, if you're participating in that, is after school today. For the ones that are not, let's have a great day no matter what. Remember, choices are yours. Let's make some good ones.